1974 Moto Guzzi 850T. It had some oil bypass in the right cylinder, and the other cylinder seems to be okay. This is the culprit. It's got a groove. Let's see if I can show that groove. Yeah, there's a groove right there, and it's deep, and oil's passing through that and making a smoking mess. And the culprit, I believe, well, I know, it's this bottom ring of this piston here. Let's see if I can focus in on that. My finger's pointing at the end of that ring that caused that groove. This bottom ring here isn't floating, it's stuck. And that's why that failed. So I bought a new cylinder and piston, but I couldn't just buy one. I had to buy two. Well, I finally got the thing running. Trying to make it safe for the next ride. I'm having a little gas leak. I've got to fix that before I can take it out for another ride. And other than that, the bike is beautiful. I think it's no big deal to fix that. And I believe the next step is to restore it.